Hey everyone, welcome to today's quick tutorial. In just 10 minutes, you are going to master one of the most basics in Python, creating a calculator that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up on Python, it's just going to be fun. So let us just jump straight into it. Our goal is to create a calculator function that asks the user for two numbers and an operation, and based on the inputs we are going to perform the corresponding arithmetic operation. Well, we will start by creating a Python function called calculator that will handle the operations. We can define the functions using the def keyword followed by the function name, that is calculator. We use parentheses here to hold the parameters. In this case, we are not providing the parameters. We'll be receiving the input from the user, followed by colon here. So that will start the block for the function. So we can provide an welcome message to the user. So welcome to Python calculator. So now we need to receive two numbers from the user for operation. For this, I'll be using input method. So I'll be prompting the user to enter the first number. So enter first number. So this will be in the form of string. We need to convert this to either integer type or the float type. So I'll be converting this to float type and store this to a variable. So number 1. So we need another number, second number. So we can copy and paste this. So number 2, and again prompt the user to enter second number. So now we have two numbers. We need an operation also. I'll be prompting the user with input method. So enter the operation. I'll be providing a list of operators here: plus, subtraction, multiplication, division, and I will be storing this input to a variable, that is operations. Operation. So now based on the user input and the operations, we can perform specific arithmetic operation. So for that we can use if conditions. Suppose if user wants to perform addition operation, so then we can, the if operation equals to addition, then we can print the output using f string. We'll be using curly braces to hold the dynamic data. So number 1 plus number 2, output will be number 1 adding to number 2. So if user choosing the plus operation, so we can perform this addition operation. Suppose user chooses for subtraction, I'll be using the elif block here. So elif operation equals to subtraction. So I can divide number 1 by number 2. If user wishes for multiplication operation, I'll be changing this to multiplication symbol. So number 1 multiplied by number 2. If user wishes for division operation, so I'll be using elif again. So elif operation equals to division. So number 1 divided by number 2. So while making a division operations, we need to ensure the second number is not equal to 0. So for that, if number 2 equals to, or I'll be using does not equal to 0, so then we can perform this division operation. Else we can prompt the user with, we can show user an error message. This error division by 0 is not allowed. So finally we can create one more else block here. If user does not choose any of these operation but instead choose any other, so then we can print a message to the user. So invalid operation entered. So this message can be displayed. Now we can call the functions by using this calculator function. To execute them, first we need to run the function here. So we can test with the numbers. So run here. So welcome to Python calculator. Enter first number. First number will be 15. Second number 7. I want to perform addition operation. So output we got 22. Yeah, very nice. We can perform for subtraction. So we can run it again. So enter value 15, second value 7. Want to perform subtraction. So we got the output 8. So that's a correct answer. So let's run this one more time. I will delete this first. We can get the output properly. So enter first number, that is 15 again, multiplication, right? So second number 7. I want to perform multiplication this time. So 15 7 times, that is 105. And I would like to perform one more time for division. So 15 is the value, first value, second value, that is 7. And I want to perform division operation. So that is 2.14. And let us check with the value 0 for division operation. So enter first number, that is 15. Second value I'll be providing 0 and I will be performing division operation. So in this case, it has to raise this error message. So let's enter. So error, division by 0 is not allowed. So this is how we can perform operation. And there you have it, a fully functional Python calculator in just few lines of code. The more you explore, the more you can master. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more Python content. See you in the next video. Thank you.